Hi, we are Compilo and this video is regarding the interview questions of data warehouse. What is SCD type 2? Under SCD type 2, we create an additional record by keeping all the history of dimension changes. A common option is to use current indicator column with Y and N flags. Generally, end date column of current record contains 4 times 9, 12 and 31 as date. So as you can see on the screen, before change there is a single row with employee ID, employee name, employee department, start date, end date and current flag. And after change, we have two rows after the change of department. What are the types of facts? We have various types of facts like additive facts, which are used for aggregation functions. For example, sum or average. Semi-additive facts, which are those facts which can be added for some of the dimensions in the fact table but not for the others. Non-additive facts are the facts which cannot be added for any of the dimensions in the fact table. For non-additive facts, ratios or percentages are used. What are the types of fact tables? Mainly, we have three types of fact tables. Transaction fact table. It is a rudimentary approach to operate the businesses. These fact tables represent an event which occurs at the primary point. In diagrams, we may notice many rows in a fact table connecting to a customer or product table because of their involvement in multiple transactions. Transaction data is often structured quickly in a 1D framework. Snapshot fact table. It describes the state of things at a particular time and contains many semi-additive and non-additive facts. Unlike a transaction fact table, we take a picture of the activity at the end of the day, week or month, like sales summary of a product in previous quarter. Next is accumulated fact table. It is used to show the activity of the processes having a well-defined beginning and an end. For instance, processing an online order from e-retail giant. Along with above, we have factless fact tables, which have been already discussed in the previous video. What are the types of dimensions? We have assorted types of dimension tables like slowly changing dimensions. We have already discussed it in our first video. It has various subtypes like type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Next is unchanging dimension. They do not change at all. Next is rapidly changing dimensions. They have their values changed at a rapid pace. Next is confirmed dimensions. It is shared among multiple subject areas or data marts and are mainly used for consistency. Next is junk dimension. It is a group of dimensions with low cardinality. They are mainly used to implement rapidly changing dimensions. For instance, flags. Degenerate dimensions. They are stored in a fact table and do not need a separate dimension table, like transaction number or invoice number. Next is role play dimension. It has multiple relationships with the fact tables, like we can have date dimension with date of joining and date of exit. What is a staging table? These are the tables used to store the temporary data. They get data from different data sources like legacy systems, and assorted quality checks can be performed before ETL. So these were quite a few interview questions. I hope you have understood them, and in case you encounter any of them, you can answer them easily. Thank you.